The vendor directory is such a useful tool for interior designers. In the directory, there are literally thousands of vendors, and this tool allows you to search through those vendors by product type, quality, trade type, tags, and vendors that you already have accounts with, which I'll go into detail quickly here. So for example, let's say that I'm looking for a dining table. When you click on products, you'll see there's all these categories: furniture, lighting, plumbing, etc. I know I'm looking for furniture. And then you'll see some of the categories have subcategories, or some of the subcategories have subcategories. So in this case, tables. And you can look by just the categories themselves, but I know I want a dining table specifically. So I'm going to go down to dining table. Once you choose your criteria, no matter what it is, it will populate at the top here. And let's say, and you can see there's 38 pages of companies in the directory that sell dining tables. That's a bit much to go through, so I'm going to narrow it down a little more. Let's say this client has a mid-range budget for this dining table. Now there are 17 pages of companies that have dining tables that are mid-range, and I want ones that are trade-only or wholesale. Okay, now we're down to 9 pages, which is a lot more reasonable to go through. If you wanted, you could search even further with tags. Maybe you want a company that has a quick ship program or that has eco or sustainable practices in furnishings. Those options are there as well. Under vendors, you can search by vendors who you already have accounts with or vendors that you've favorited. When you hover over any of the company icons, you can either go straight to their website with this paper airplane, or you can add them straight to a client's folder, which you can learn more about in the Vendors tab video. Or you can favorite them. So you can see, since this heart is filled in, that I have favorited Bobo Intriguing Options and not Elite Modern, because that heart is not filled in. So as you continue to find new vendors or vendors you already know about, you can favorite them and eventually search by ones you've favorited. So now I have dining tables that are mid-range from trade-only companies that I have already favorited, so my favorites. And there's this great list, and I don't have to keep this at the top of my head. It takes me less than a minute to search, and this is a great starting point when searching for products for clients. You can sort your results randomly, alphabetically, or by most favorited based on Interior Atlas users. You can also keep them in this icon form or in a list form.